Welcome viewers, if still you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and also click the bell icon to get technology updates regularly on this JP Infotech channel.
Hi, in this video we are going to see about a Python project which is entitled as a road accident prediction model using data mining techniques. This is an IEEE 2021 conference paper, and before seeing the execution, in this paper the authors have proposed a concept of predicting the road accidents, and they have used a data set which consists of Bangalore road accident data sets. But we are not going to use this data set. We are going to use a data set which consists of all the major states of India, and also the algorithm will be different from this base paper, and we are going to use AdaBoost algorithm, AdaBoost classifier. And let us see the execution of the project now. And now copy this URL, go to your browser and paste it. And we have used Flask web framework, and you can see the home screen, a welcome screen of the project with the project title, a road accident prediction model using data mining technique. And you can go to login page. This is a static login page which consists of default username and password as admin and admin, and click login. And once the login is successful, you will be navigating to the upload option. So here you can upload the data set for the training purpose. So just click browse and go to the project folder, and there you can see the data set, upload, and just select it and click upload. And once after clicking the upload, the dataset will be uploaded, and you can preview the dataset. And here you can see in the preview dataset, you can see the dataset consists of features of states and union territories, junction, vehicle age, human age and sex, person, area, type of place, load of vehicle, traffic rule violation, weather, vehicle type and sex, and type of road, license, time, accident occurrence. And as I mentioned that it consists of different states. So here you can see different states and union territories, that is Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Goa, Gujarat, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Orissa, Punjab, Rajasthan, Sikkim, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Tripura, Uttarakhand, West Bengal, Andaman Nicobar, and you can see all the things Delhi, Puducherry. And you can see the data set records is about 576. And if you scroll down till the end of the page, you can see the button of click to train or test. Just click it, and you can see the training is finished, and click OK. So once the training is finished, it will be navigating to the prediction part, and in the prediction part you can see the details of the input that we should give for the prediction part. So for the scenario, let me show you with two cases. So first thing is like let me select the state. Here you can see what all the states available. So let me select from the data set that is available as Andhra Pradesh, and junction as T junction, and vehicle age less than 5, human age as 18 male, person as driver, and area as residential, place of type urban, vehicle load is normally loaded, and traffic rules violation over speeding, and weather is sunny and clear, vehicle type and sex as pedestrian male, and road type as straight road, and license type as valid, and license is valid as permanent, and time is about 6 to 9 hours days. So let it be the same case, that is the default one. And let me click the predict option. Let me click predict, and once after clicking the predict, you can see the prediction is yes, there is a chance of road accident, be careful. And now let me show you the other case with some other dataset record. Now let me select a state or unit area as Puducherry. And junction model as staggered junction. Vehicle age not known. Human agent 6, age not known. And persons without precautioners is passengers. On area as open area. Type of place as rural one. Vehicle load as others. Traffic rules violation. Use of mobile phone. Weather lit others. Vehicle type and 6 is like it is other motor vehicles female. Road type as others and license type as without license, and timing is 03 to 6 night. And for this dataset record, let me check by clicking the predict option, and you can see the prediction is no and there is no chance of road accident. So for the scenario I have shown you with two cases, that is chance of accident and there is no chance of accident. So the same way you can check with the other cases also with the different data set record with the states and junction with all the scenarios, and you can check with those. And now let me go to the performance analysis part. So in the performance analysis part you can see the precision and recall value. Here you can see the confusion matrix. And after the performance analysis part, let me go to the chart part. So this chart part is a static chart, it is not a dynamic one. So this depicts the data that is available from the data set that we have uploaded. So this chart consists of accidents with respect to the ages, so maximum age is like 18 to 25 years, which has the major accidents, which is around 28.1%, and total accidents in residential area. You can see the comparison with the male and female. The state of Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Bihar and Tamil Nadu we are taken as a sample, and you can see the ratio of comparisons. And this is all about the project, a road accident prediction model using data mining techniques. And thank you for watching.